Thanks for arriving on time. We have to load. Once a coach is filled, once all coaches are done with.
Sounds good.
We're working on a dam. The work is already underway.
What river is the dam on?
It's a fantastic project on the River Thames. We built another dam a while back on Pina.
How much farther do we need to go?
Some more. There will be a change in altitude. It's a special track we laid ourselves for transporting material to site. We will be coming back soon for another few trips, I am sure. Especially once we commence the powerhouse work. We are transport a huge turbine part after a few months. We are still trying to figure out the logistics. It's a nightmare situation. Let's see what solution we come up with.
Looks like we are nearing our destination.
Get ready. You ain't seen anything like it.